Hey, today I'd like to do a review of my Milwaukee 15-inch packout tool tote and a tool loadout. It's going to be a quick one. To start off with, we got the pry bar, chisel driver from Milwaukee, East Wing lady's foot, Knipex twin grips, Knipex lineman pliers with a fish tape puller and crimper, Knipex diagonal cutters with angled head, Knipex end nippers, I think these are the 12-inch, Knipex gold bolt cutters, the 8-inch pair, Milwaukee adjustable wrench, Knipex pliers wrench, the 10-inch pair, the Knipex Cobras, the water pump pliers. Everyone calls them channel locks, but that's actually a brand. They're called water pump pliers, like these ones here are Milwaukee, the 12-inch. Milwaukee wire strippers, Knipex step cuts, stupid stick, Engineer Negisaurus screw removal pliers, another pair of screw removal pliers, but larger for bigger screws, again by Engineer, a pair of vice grips, locking pliers, 2 more locking pliers in smaller sizes, one's a needle nose, needle nose pliers, and I keep a sawzall blade in here for a blade for a saw that I have in the back here. I also keep a headlamp with that uses AAA batteries stored up on top there. I got a Klein 14-in-1 adjustable screwdriver, Klein insulated flathead that I use as a everything pry pick, and here's all my Milwaukee screwdrivers in different sizes. My Milwaukee Speed Square, a pair of wall scrapers and putty knives, a Work Pro 30-piece hex key set with Allen key. That's all the Allen keys with metric and standard. A flush cut Japanese pull saw, Lennox folding jab saw. Milwaukee 6-inch torpedo level with strong magnets on there. A cold chisel. A Klein stubby with multiple bits in the carousel. It also adjusts like the larger one. Magnetizer and demagnetizer. A smaller pair of the 6-inch Knipex pliers wrench. 6-inch adjustable wrench. Some 1/4-inch sockets in both metric and standard. Up to 1/2 inch and I believe it was 12. And then a Weir ratcheting bit holder. I got a 1/4-inch drive on it right now. And then a 1/4-inch extension. And then we got some Knipex electrician shears. Some Work Pro chisels. A Franklin Pro stud finder. And I just keep batteries for the headlamp in there. A Bosch Blaze GLM 165/27 CG laser level or laser measurer. A Klein work light with a carabiner and magnets. And it also swivels and folds out and charges your phone. Measuring tape, 25 foot. And then a couple of Milwaukee knives, a fastback and a folding knife. So yeah, that's my video and overview of my Milwaukee 15-inch packout tool tote. I hope you guys enjoy and have a good day. Bye for now.